Hey everybody, what's up? For the record, tonight, this weekend, even last night, I'm taking a break from YouTube for a few days. This commenting thing really has me frustrated. And if I make a vlog, I'm going to just rant about this thing. It's ruined the community aspect of things for me. I've lost a lot of conversations. I'm frustrated. But I was watching Blizzy Kitty's video, and she showed her ringtone on her phone. So, Blizzy, this is for you. Here's my ringtone because I'm such a Star Wars dork like yourself. Huh. For the record, that's what I use as my alarm clock, too. I think I'll show you guys one or two of my other ringtones. Here is my ringtone when I go out clubbing. No, I don't go clubbing, but if I go out on the weekend. And then for any U2 people out there, this is one of my main ringtones. And for any of you Madonna fans, I've got a mashup she did in her concert of Disco Inferno with the song Music, called Music Inferno. This I use as an alarm a lot too because it's actually kind of an annoying clip. And then my last one that I'll share, I've got another Madonna one, which I really don't use a lot, but one of my favorite songs of all time. Yeah, I'm a dork, so that's it. I just wanted to put this on Blizzy's video. Have a good weekend, everybody. I hopefully will be vlogging. Maybe by Sunday night I'll feel better, but I'm just fed up with this website right now. So that's all for now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.